This is an average size 3x3. It's around 5.5 centimeters on each side. And this is a YG Tiny 3x3. It's 2 centimeters on each side. And honestly, I don't think I even have to say the numbers. I mean, just look at how different in size they are. Hello everyone, I'm Mike, and today I will be trying to solve this mini 3x3 Rubik's Cube as fast as I can. Now, if you've been following my channel for a longer time, you probably know that I'm pretty slow at 3x3. I average around 25 seconds, and well, it's not because I'm bad at it, it's just that I don't learn any new algorithms. I use the beginner's method with a couple more advanced algorithms, and that's it. So I know this is probably not the best challenge for me, but I still want to try it. Now, if you average 3x3 better than me, you should probably try this yourself, and I mean, you will probably solve it faster than me. Now, even though this cube is super tiny, it surprisingly performs very well. Honestly, it turns just as well as like any other average 3x3. I think the problem will obviously be the size of this and if I will be even able to finger trick and perform algorithms. Well, I think that's enough talking. Let's see how it goes. And let's begin. Yeah, it's about what I expected. Oh, um, okay, finally, a slightly better time. Yeah, okay. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely not as good as the last one, but I mean it's still less than a minute. The inspection. Thought this would be a little bit better, but all right. Oh no 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 no. Okay, this is the personal best so far, but I could have absolutely done it way better. uh, I messed up at the end, definitely. Oh, wow, I absolutely messed up. Wow, that is the worst time so far. Let's keep on going though. Okay, not as bad of a solve. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. Okay, here is the last solve of the day. Here is the entire average and all the 10 times here. Okay, it's day 2, and before I start solving again, I have an important announcement. I have a new cactus! Yeah, if you've been following my channel, you probably also know that I really like cactuses. So here it is. It doesn't have a name yet, but if you want to, you can probably write it in the comments. 4612. Okay. I'm about to do the 17th solve, and it's actually already day 3. So yeah, you can definitely see how I'm taking this slow because I'm not having a lot of fun, honestly, because like each solve you do, it really doesn't feel like you're progressing. Like one solve is better, but the other one just gets worse, and it's kind of random. Oh my god. Jesus. Fuck this shit, honestly. Oh fuck. I hate this. I really hate this. A goddamn minute. It literally feels like I'm not making any progress at all. It feels horrible. Okay, solve 19. I am absolutely losing my mind. $49. Solve 20. I really don't know if I will finish this. No, no. Oh, that was so close. God fucking damn it, honestly. 20 solves and 20 solves and the average is 50, 28, and I'm still not getting a better time. This is horrible. I fucking hate this shit. Honestly, I absolutely hate this fucking shit. I am getting absolutely horrible times, and I'm not getting better at all. This is fucking horrible. Solve 23. Man, I would only do this again if I got paid or something. Not for no reason. Absolutely not. This is depressing. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Barely better, but a best time. 37:55. Okay, the average is 51:05. Uh, man, it took 23 solves to get this time, and I mean, I'm still not really happy with it, but I don't think I really want to keep going further. I don't know, man. Just it might stop here, honestly. I guess, I don't know. Okay, so I finally end this challenge, and as you could definitely see and hear at the end, I was really furious and just not happy at all. But honestly, I felt like I should definitely just leave my emotions in the video to see how frustrated I got at the end. Like, it really seemed like I was just getting worse and worse. Anyway, thank you for watching this. Hope you enjoyed it. Definitely not as happy of a video as my others, because once again, I absolutely hated it at the end. I got really mad. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.